Hey guys, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. I do videos on luxury, handbags, and occasionally beauty if you're new here. So if you like topics like that, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Today I'm going to be talking about a $100 designer bag that I have been seeing everywhere. Honestly, it's been on my radar since the Nordstrom anniversary sale. They had it in the sale, but not in colors that I was really feeling. But I did go ahead and pick one up. And before I get into that bag, I wanted to share with you some bag organizers that Zoomoni has kindly sent me. They've also given me a discount code for my subscribers for 20% off. I'll go ahead and put that discount code on the screen right now. Zoomoni have kindly sent me some bag organizers for my Chanel mini top handles, which I really wanted to get some of these. I was really interested in getting the silky bag organizer. I've had felt ones in the past and they're great. They're really great, especially for keeping a bag structure for maybe a softer bag that you want to maintain the shape. But I really wanted to try this silky one for my white mini top handle back here because the interior of this is really pretty. I don't know how well it'll show up on camera, but can you see that pretty like rainbow sheen on the inside? I really want to keep that protected, so they kindly sent me a silky bag organizer. Now, Zoomoni is located in South Korea and they ship worldwide. The shipping is really fast. My order was placed and I got the order 2 days later at my door. They've also sent me some really cute detachable pouches. So say you have some makeup that you want to keep in your bag, but you want to have like that extra layer of protection so that you don't get mascara or lipstick or something on either the organizer or the bag itself, or really just to help you find something a lot easier in your bag. Sometimes I know, for example, the Bottega Veneta Andiamo bag that I unboxed, it was completely black inside, and something like a white little pouch like this will really help you find what it is that you're looking for. And they sent me several different sizes. So this one has 2 lipsticks in it and a little mini mascara. This one is bigger. Maybe I want to put in like a blush or something. For example, the new Dior blush that I picked up, it's super gorgeous on the face. And there you go. It's just like nice and protected. These pouches, like I said, come in different sizes. So here I'm going to use the 2 lipstick size pouch and I'm going to put it in the organizer here on my bag. And here is the bag with the organizer and those little pouches, and everything just looks nice, neat, and organized. My bag is being protected inside and it's also helping keep the shape. Now for the $100 designer bag that everybody has been talking about online, and it is the Longchamp Le Pliage Pochette, or the original pouch with handle. Now I ordered this directly from the Longchamp website, and my first impression when I unboxed my package that arrived at my house, I was a little unimpressed because it only arrived in a plastic bag. Now, I've never bought anything from Longchamp before. It is a very classic brand, but I did sort of expect at least some kind of little box. It didn't have to be something super fancy or anything like that, but I didn't really expect to receive it in a plastic Ziploc branded bag. So that left me a little bit unimpressed when I received it, especially because I was thinking of maybe this could be a good Christmas gift. I don't know, the presentation just wasn't really there for me. I didn't get it gift wrapped, however, so I mean that could be why, but I don't tend to get things gift wrapped unless I'm buying them as a gift. So just, yeah, again, this plastic bag really kind of just wasn't that impressive. And I don't really like receiving things in plastic, but that's just me. So let's unbag the bag, and it is right here. I got it in the cute burgundy color, and I was really torn between the black and the burgundy, but I thought since we're heading into fall and I don't own anything that's burgundy, this could be a cute little bag, especially for like a fall trip or if you're going somewhere where it's kind of rainy in the fall. This would be a great option. Now this pouch is made from recycled nylon, and so it's very durable for wet weather. And then the flap and the handle, as well as these 2 tabs, are textured leather. Now as far as branding goes, there is a Longchamp little stamp back here. There is the classic Longchamp horse here at the front. And then the hardware is really cute. Let me see if I can get that to focus. But it is the Longchamp horse with the little branding around the circle. Now it does have a button closure, but it also zips open and close. And then on the inside you have the lighter color nylon, and it does come with a little care book Now that is pretty much all that comes to the pouch itself. It is very small. When I opened it, I was expecting it to be a little tiny bit bigger. I'm not sure why, but it is a smaller pouch. It does pack a punch though. And to give you kind of an idea of the size, let me just get my Chanel mini top handle and put them side by side. So the Chanel mini top handle does seem to be a lot bigger, but let's go ahead and pack this one up to see what fits. All right, so first things first, and it is my Apple iPhone. Now this is the iPhone Pro 15, it's not the Pro Max, but I did try my husband's Pro Max phone earlier when I first received this, and it did fit inside. So this one fits inside no problem. If you have an even smaller phone, then you will have plenty of room to store it. Next thing I'm gonna put is some little gum. I'm also going to put my card holder inside. And that's how it's looking so far. I'm gonna put those lipsticks in that little pouch from Zoomoni in there as well. And then maybe like a hand cream. And that's how it's looking. I still have room up here at the top. I'm gonna try to fit in my key as well since there's room at the top there. And let's see if this closes. All right. So that is what the bag looks like packed. Now it does lean forward, as you can see, because the handle is only on one side. I think it would be nice if it had two handles on either side, because if you do plan on walking around with a top handle, I don't know if the lean forward might get a little annoying, but I did buy a conversion kit to make this a crossbody bag, so let's try that out. Now this conversion kit, I will go ahead and link it down below. I don't think Zoomoni has a conversion kit, so if you're watching Zoomoni, I think this would be a great little addition to your product line. They do have a bag organizer though. I did look that up. They do have a bag organizer for this bag, which is another great thing about Zoomoni because they are constantly updating their inventory to have organizers for bags that are coming out, bags that are trending. So if you do have a designer bag that you're looking for an organizer, chances are they'll have it on their website. The kit comes with 2 of these attachments. I've already put one on for expediency's sake, but here's me putting on the second one. Now the attachment has 2 sides. There's a raw side, and then on the other side you're going to see the textured leather side. You want to make sure that the textured leather side is the side that's facing outward. It is a bit tricky because it is a tight fit, but once you do get it on, it is very secure. Next, you just need to attach the claw clip at the end of the strap. The conversion kit also comes with an adjustable strap, and it has a lot of holes so you can adjust it to the perfect length that you need. And I compared the grain of the leather on the strap to the grain of the leather on the bag, and I felt like it was a perfect fit. Now I do really like this little bag. I do think it would still make a cute gift for somebody if you have somebody that loves bags and you're already starting to think about the holidays, because I know I am. I like to spread it out, otherwise I wait until the last minute and I stress myself out. Now when you have the conversion kit and you're wearing this as a crossbody bag, it does sit flush to your hip, so that little tilt forward of the bag doesn't occur because of the one handle situation. But I did want to try the Amazon conversion kit that I kept seeing people like advertising or pushing on their social media. This conversion kit cost $25, I believe. I think I got a coupon for $20. So $120 total for this little pochette and a strap. Well guys, that's it for today's video. I hope if you have been thinking about getting this $100 designer handbag that everybody has been talking about online, that this video really helped you decide if it's something that you want to add to your collection or maybe a trend you'd like to skip. And if you already haven't liked this video, I would really appreciate it if you did, and if you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.